Hello and welcome to Allot on Air. During the next 10 minutes or so, we'll be meeting with industry experts to discuss the hottest trends in telecom, cybersecurity, and network intelligence.
I'm Michael Schachter, and I'm very pleased to be hosting today Erez Antebi, the CEO of Allot. Erez, welcome.
Hi, Michael.
So what do you see as the 5G challenges that Allot has to address today?
I think 5G is, everything is a challenge, right? But I think the more interesting thing is where are the opportunities here. The big challenge in 5G is moving into a native cloud environment, which I think we discussed in the previous question. But the opportunities here really are on two different levels. We need to understand that the difference between 5G and 4G is not just it's same thing but faster. It's a totally different environment. One piece of it is the fact that it's cloud. It's a cloud environment, but the other thing is that we're getting a lot more traffic and we're getting many points of connection to the internet. That means that the network itself is going to be much harder to protect. Now here in Allot, we developed protection for the networks back when we were working on 4G networks. And we protect, because we are a traffic management company, we know how to identify attacks in real time, and we know how to filter them out in real time in the network without sending traffic to some external location like a scrubbing center or something like that. So for the 5G world, we've developed a new product that we call 5G Net Protect, which basically protects 5G networks from distributed denial of service and volumetric attacks within the network without having to send the traffic outside to be cleansed. Now in 5G networks, that's very critical because one of the main attributes of a 5G network is low latency. So you don't have time to send the traffic elsewhere. And that's why we deal with all the bad traffic in the network on site immediately. And that's a huge opportunity for us. Second opportunity, obviously, is when operators go to a 5G network, it's time for them to reassess who are they working with for traffic management. And for us, that's an enormous opportunity. We have been, over the last couple of years, we have been replacing our competitors in traffic management in various networks that they have been working in for years because of our better product and our better service. I think that when a decision on a 5G network comes along, that gives the operator ever so much more ease in choosing an alternative to whomever they have been working with until that point. So I only see huge opportunities for Allot in this 5G growing world.
So 5G is disruptive both technologically, but you're saying also from a business perspective.
Absolutely.
And it sounds like you see us poised to continue our growth in the network intelligence and traffic management domain as well.
We've been growing in network intelligence and traffic management now 5 years, year after year, and we've been growing faster than the market has been growing. Market has been growing probably low single digits, and we've been growing much faster than that year after year, which means we're taking market share. I believe that we will be able to continue to grow in the network traffic management and analytics area. I think 5G could become a huge catalyst for our growth and a fantastic growth engine for us for exactly the reasons that we talked about. It's disruptive technologically, and we're fitting in there as we're working with cloud providers and as we're providing protection from the network and not just traffic management. And it's disruptive from a business perspective as it enables the operators to take a fresh look on who they're working with, and we're there to serve them at that time.
That's it for today's episode. Thanks for listening. You can get more information about network intelligence and security solutions for service providers and enterprises on our website at allot.com. Subscribe to this podcast to make sure you hear about new trends and technologies on the next episode of Allot on Air.